So I'm out here on Lake Shasta for the first time, man, at this Hobie tournament. And man, the bite was good this morning, man. I started off like 10 feet from the ramp, and I pounded on them for a little bit. Of course, they were a little smaller fish, but I wanted to get a limit so I could get my confidence up, man. And I stuck it out for about an hour, 2 hours, right there at the front of the ramp, man. I got me 5 fish, mostly 14. So I figured I'd come out here, man, and pedal around, hit my waypoints, man, and see what I could do. And I had a couple of waypoints that I had real confidence in. So I'm over here now, man. I stuck a 17 3/4, and I stuck a 15 3/4, and I just brung a younder to the party. I just brung a belly shark to the party. I'm out here, y'all. I'm out here.